Here's a 12-volt battery. It's discharged because there is no sunlight, almost. It's cloudy, and a charger is connected to that battery, but it's not recognized as a 12-volt battery, but as a 6-volt battery. For that type of battery, it is fully charged. Now let's disconnect the minus. Nothing is detected. Connect it back, and 6 volts is given. So on the 6-volt setting it is charging, on the 12-volt setting it is not charging. Now this old-fashioned charger was connected to the battery, and that one is charging the battery. The battery is currently at around 10 volts. Now if I connect this charger also, now it's detecting 9.3 volts. And it's still not giving me the option to charge it as a car battery. I should have the car sign, motorcycle sign and snowflake sign, but nothing. So this is automated, it shuts off when the battery is fully charged, but you cannot really charge it when the battery is way too depleted. In that case, better use an old analog mechanical one. After the voltage is slightly higher, 10, 11, something like that, then if I plug in this digital charger, then I might get, not yet, before it was showing the bicycle, car and snowflake sign, now it's not now it's showing it. So if the voltage is not high enough, then it's not able to charge the battery. Theoretically it's charging, the battery sign is flashing, voltage is not too high. One battery is charged by a solar panel, an old-fashioned charger and a newer digital charger. 3 at once. Now I turned off this older charger and the voltage immediately dropped. Now we are at 8.6 volts, 7. 8.6 mentioned by this one also. This is just a USB car adapter. The USBs are burnt out, but the voltmeter portion is still functional, so it's connected to that USB hub, and the hub is connected directly to the battery through this one and that one. Now this charger is charging that battery on the snowflake mode, which is the winter mode, using an amp clamp. It's charging it at almost 1 amp. That's not too much. On the negative it says 0.6 amps. That's not too much at all. Now let's measure the large one, the old one. Disconnect the digital one. Connect the old-fashioned analog. Plug in the old-fashioned analog. It is on. Clear it out. And we have 5.5 amps. So the old-fashioned one is much more powerful. 5.4, 5.3 amps. That one is much more powerful compared to this one. Now this digital one is charging on the car battery mode with 0.90809 amps. Let's use the snowflake mode, and the amperage is the same, 0809. So the snowflake is not doing too much. 00 something when the battery is not flashing. Now it's not even allowing me to use any settings, so under a certain voltage this is useless. So back to the analog one. At the higher voltage is still not letting me use the car or the snowflake. That's the battery. That's a modem. That's a USB hub. That's a voltmeter. It's basically a 12 volt USB adapter. That is the old-fashioned charger. The transformer is glowing. The battery is making strange noises. I guess the liquid is boiling. By the way, there's the Victron charge controller, and that one is not visible. It's not making any heat. The white one, the router, is hot. Victron is cold. There is some tiny amount of heat, almost non-existent. Modem, charge controller,